Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I am Rinkesh sir and today we are going to focus on IELTS writing task 2, especially writing the introduction. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि IELTS writing task 2 में क्या आता है. In writing task 2, you will be given an essay. You have to write an essay, and for that essay you have to make 250 words, means you have to write 250 words. So I prefer it to extend it till 280. Okay, so there is no higher limit. Okay, मतलब हायर लिमिट नहीं है. 250 इज द मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट, मतलब मिनिमम 250 वर्ड्स होने चाहिए. उससे ज्यादा हो गए तो चले गए, बट डोंट राइट टू एक्सेस, क्योंकि जितना ज्यादा लिखोगे उतनी मिस्टेक्स आने का चांसेस ज्यादा है. Right, so first now let's see what type of essays are asked in IELTS. You will be given one topic, like a view may be given, or two different views may be given, some problem may be given, some solution may be given, and you have to write down on that topic. Okay, so first let's see how you are going to organize your writing task 2. Okay, first write down the introduction. For introduction, I prefer you should write down that about 35 to 50 words. ओके, इंट्रोडक्शन में 35 टू 50 वर्ड्स इनफ है. ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है कि इतने वर्ड्स होने चाहिए, बट जस्ट नॉर्मल एक बेसिक स्केलेटन है कि इस तरीके से आप ऑर्गेनाइज करोगे. उसके बाद बॉडी पैराग्राफ. Body paragraphs you make either 2 or 3. क्लियर, 2 या 3 बॉडी पैराग्राफ बनाना है और अप्रोक्सीमेटली 200 वर्ड्स. मतलब अगर आप 2 बॉडी पैराग्राफ बना रहे हो then you must make 100 words approximately. If you are going for 3, then just make 60 to 70 words in each body paragraph. Okay, and then conclusion. Okay, conclusion, there will be 20 to 40 words would be enough for that. Okay, this is just a range you can select according to you. Okay, so you will be dividing or you'll be organizing your essay in this way: introduction, then body paragraphs, and conclusion. Okay, now see, you have 40 minutes. Actually, in total writing you are given 1 hour. So if you divide writing task 1 and 2 into 2 parts, then you should give 20 minutes for writing task 1 and 40 minutes for writing task 2, because the weightage of writing task 2 is double. Okay, so how to organize this 40 minutes? Okay, I prefer that you must at least use 5 minutes for planning. For planning, spend 5 minutes. Okay, for introduction, for writing introduction you must spend 5 minutes or less. Don't spend too much time on writing introduction. Okay, then body paragraphs. For body paragraphs you must spend 20 minutes, means if you are making 2 body paragraphs, 10 minutes approximately for each of them. And for conclusion, 5 minutes. And finally, checking your essay by yourself is very important. Okay, for checking, 5 minutes. There are lots of changes that you can make. You can correct your spelling mistake, you can correct your punctuation. Okay, sometimes it may happen that you know the spelling, but in hurry you are making the mistake. Okay, so that can be avoided if you are checking it for the last 5 minutes. You can also change some vocabulary. Last 5 minutes में अगर आपको लगेगा कि आपने ये एक vocabulary, कुछ vocabulary words है जो बहुत repeat किए हुए, you can replace it by the synonym or by you can paraphrase it. So checking is very important. Okay, so this is how you are going to plan your 40 minutes for writing task 2. Okay. Now, first, let's see what types of essays can be asked. IELTS में किस तरीके से ऐसे पूछे जा रहे हैं. Okay. So these are few types of questions that can be asked in the essay. एक स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ होगा या फिर एक व्यू दिया होगा और उसके नीचे इनमें से कोई क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. Right, like opinion based ऐसे होता है, like what are your opinions on this, then discuss both the views and give your opinion. मतलब दो व्यू दिए होंगे, दो contrasting views दिए होंगे और आपको दोनों व्यू पे डिस्कस करना है, and then you have to give your opinion. To what extent you agree or disagree, कोई प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन दिया होगा या फिर कोई ऐसा स्टेटमेंट आएगा और उस पर आपको पूछा जा रहा है कि इस स्टेटमेंट से आप कितने सहमत हो. राइट, डिस्कस बोथ द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस. Means statement is given and you have to write down the advantages and disadvantages. Do you think the advantages of it outweighs the disadvantages? Means you are asked whether the advantages are higher than disadvantages or the opposite. Okay, so now first let's study an example. ओके हम एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं टॉपिक का. हम एक एक करके सभी एग्जांपल लेंगे. आज का हमारा मेन फोकस है राइटिंग द इंट्रोडक्शन. So we will discuss all this type of questions और सब में किस तरह से introduction लिखना है. Okay, so let's take the example. So here the question is, some people believe that one should work for the same organization all the working life. Others think that it is better to work for different organization. Discuss both the views and give your opinion. Okay, so first split your question. ओके अगर मैं इसको डिवाइड करूं तो ये जो पार्ट दिया हुआ है दैट इज अ स्टेटमेंट. ओके वो एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है, दो व्यूज दिए हुए हैं. राइट, यहाँ पे एक ये है कि सेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करो, दूसरा है कि इट इज बेटर टू वर्क फॉर डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. और क्वेश्चन क्या है हमारा, हमको ऐसा किस पर लिखना है, इसमें क्या पूछा है, ऐसे में डिस्कस बोथ द व्यूज. तो ये हमको ये क्वेश्चन दिया गया हुआ है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमको हमारी दो टेक्निक है. फर्स्ट हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो स्टेटमेंट दिया है उसको पैराफ्रेजिंग करना है. ओके, स्टेप 1, पैराफ्रेज दिस स्टेटमेंट. ओके, स्टेटमेंट या फिर जो भी व्यूज या प्रॉब्लम कॉजेज सॉल्यूशन जो भी दिया उसको पैराफ्रेज करो. ओके, एंड स्टेप 2, restructure the question. Restructure the question मतलब ये जो क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है डिस्कस बोथ द व्यूज एंड गिव योर ओपिनियन, उसको रीस्ट्रक्चर करने का. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले पैराफ्रेज द स्टेटमेंट. पैराफ्रेजिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज पैराफ्रेजिंग? पैराफ्रेजिंग मींस ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स हैविंग सेम मीनिंग. मतलब यहाँ पे जो दो व्यूज दिए हमको वही लिखने के, लेकिन वर्ड्स चेंज करने हैं. मीन्स यू आर गोइंग टू चेंज द वर्ड्स बट द मीनिंग विल रिमेन सेम. ओके, तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, पैराफ्रेज द स्टेटमेंट. सम पीपल बिलीव. ओके, तो यहाँ इसकी जगह हम लिख सकते हैं कि सम सिटीजंस बिलीव, फ्यू सिटीजंस ओपाइन दैट, या फिर अकॉर्डिंग टू अ ग्रुप. According to a group. Okay, one should work. Okay, यहाँ पे दिया है one should work. one की जगह पे हम लिख सकेंगे people should work for the same organization. Okay, work यहाँ पे work का मतलब है to do job, so I can use perform their job. Okay, perform their job for the same organization. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की जगह पे हम लिख सकते हैं इंस्टीट्यूट्स या फिर कंपनीज. इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑल देयर वर्किंग लाइफ. तो वर्किंग लाइफ उसका मतलब लाइफ का जो वर्किंग पीरियड होता है. सो हियर इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आई कैन राइट डाउन देयर प्रोफेशनल वर्किंग पीरियड. Professional working period of the life. Okay, others think. अब देखो ये एक व्यू हो गया, ठीक है, तो इसका मैं पैराफ्रेजिंग स्टेटमेंट लिख लेता हूं. According to a group, comma, people should perform their job in the same institute throughout their professional working period. Okay, throughout the, not that, throughout the professional working period of the life. Okay, अब दूसरा statement. Now see, there is opposing view, means it is better to work for different organization. Okay, this is opposing view. तो यहाँ पे मैं एक opposite linker use करूँगा, right? Yeah, however, while, whereas. Okay, in other sorry, on the other hand, in contrast. चलो मैं लिख लेता हूँ in contrast. Okay, in contrast, others think ये जगह पे मैं लिख सकता हूँ opine. It is better to work for different organization. Again, beneficial to work for different organization. तो इसकी जगह पे मैं लिख सका हूँ to change the institutes, to switch on to different companies. Okay, change the workplace. कंपनी से हम वर्क प्लेस पे लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर? तो ये हमने पैराफ्रेजिंग कर दिया. ओके, वर्ड्स चेंज कर दिए. नाउ दैट्स राइट इट. इन कॉन्ट्रास्ट, comma, others opine that it will be beneficial if people change their workplace at a regular interval. ओके, तो ये हो गई हमारी स्टेप 1. वी पैराफ्रेज्ड द स्टेटमेंट. हमने पैराफ्रेजिंग करके we just change the words and we have written both the views. Now the second step is restructure the question. Okay, तो that depends on question. अलग अलग क्वेश्चन को हम अलग अलग तरीके से restructure करते हैं. देखो, discuss both the views and give your opinion. Okay, तो यहाँ पे पूछा गया कि दोनों व्यूज डिस्कस करो एंड अपना ओपिनियन दो. ओके, तो इसको हम रिस्ट्रक्चर कर सकेंगे इस तरीके से. डिस्कस बोथ द व्यूज. यहाँ पे हम मैंने दोनों व्यूज ऊपर मेंशन किए, सो आई कैन राइट डाउन बोथ द अबव मेंशन्ड व्यूज will be discussed or will be explored in the further paragraphs. Okay, both the above mentioned views will be discussed in the further paragraph. और यहाँ पे और एक क्वेश्चन है, गिव योर ओपिनियन। ओके, सो हम उसको एक्सटेंड कर सकेंगे। बोथ द अबव मेंशन्ड व्यूज विल बी डिस्कस्ड इन द फर्दर पैराग्राफ बिफोर आई गिव माय ओपिनियन। ठीक है, ये हमने रिस्ट्रक्चर करा है। हम इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, हियर आई विल एक्सप्लोर बोथ द व्यूज एंड गिव माय ओपिनियन। ओके, तो ये हो गया हमारा पूरा इंट्रोडक्शन। क्लियर, हमने क्या किया, स्टेप 1 वी पैराफ्रेज्ड द स्टेटमेंट, स्टेप 2 रीस्ट्रक्चर द क्वेश्चन। ओके, तो ये हो गया हमारा कौन से टाइप का, जब क्वेश्चन है डिस्कस बोथ द व्यूज एंड गिव योर ओपिनियन। से पैराफ्रेजिंग द स्टेटमेंट, ये सभी ऑलमोस्ट सभी ऐसे में सिमिलर ही रहेगा, राइट। लेकिन स्टेप 2 जो रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग द क्वेश्चन है वो चेंज होगा, वो डिपेंड्स के कौन सा क्वेश्चन पूछा है। ठीक है, ओके। Okay, so according to a group, people should perform their job in the same institute throughout the professional working period of their life. In contrast, others opine that it will be beneficial if, okay, yeah, okay. If people change their workplace at a regular interval. Both the above mentioned views will be discussed in the further paragraphs before I give my opinion. ठीक है, so last 5 minutes checking इसलिए important है कि जे ऐसे नॉर्मल मिस्टेक थी यहाँ पे मैंने बाय मिस्टेक इन लिख दिया था, तो वो आप ओवरकम कर सको। ठीक है, now let's take one more example। अब दूसरे टाइप का क्वेश्चन लेंगे हम। Car ownership has increased so rapidly over the past 30 years that many cities in the world are now one big traffic jam. What are the causes of the increase in car owners? What measures can government take to discourage people from using their car? Okay, तो ये हो गया causes and solution, causes and solution का ऐसे। ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम पहले स्टेटमेंट लिखेंगे, ये है हमारा स्टेटमेंट, और यहाँ पे दो क्वेश्चन दिए हैं, कॉजेस और सॉल्यूशन। ओके, तो सबसे पहले हम पैराफ्रेजिंग देखते हैं। तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, कार ओनरशिप हैज इंक्रीज्ड सो रैपिडली। ओके, इंक्रीज ये वर्ब है, उसका हम पैराफ्रेज कर सकते हैं कि राइज, राइजन और ऑगमेंटेड। Augmented. Okay, so rapidly means fast, you can say fastly or swiftly. Okay, for the past 30 years, instead of 30 years I can write down 3 decades. That many cities in the world are now one big traffic jam. Okay, now they mean to say that the traffic issues had risen in the last 30 years. Okay, so now we can also just change the statement. We will use the words, but see here there is one problem, that is one big traffic jam. Okay, and also it is given why it has been done, because car ownership has increased so rapidly. Okay, now what are the causes of increasing car owners? Means you must understand, you don't have to write down this essay about traffic. Okay, you have to write down this essay, what are the causes that number of cars has increased, the owners of the car has increased, means why there are so many cars used nowadays. Okay, you don't have to write down why traffic had risen. Clear? And see solution, what measures can government take to discourage people from using the car? So what steps government can take so less people uses the car, or people switch to different modes rather than using their cars. Okay, so now let's start first with the statement. Okay, paraphrasing the statement. ओके, तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं इंटरचेंज कर देता हूँ। पहले वन बिग ट्रैफिक जाम के बारे में लिखता हूँ। सी ट्रैफिक इश्यू, ट्रैफिक और राइजिंग ट्रैफिक, rising traffic is one of the most serious issues faced by many cities, many instead of many I can change it, numerous cities in the world. अब reason, okay, ये वाला, as car ownership has augmented, instead of car ownership the number of car owners has increased की जगह में मैं लिखूंगा augmented swiftly in the last 3 decades. Okay, rising traffic is one of the most serious issues faced by numerous cities in the world as the number of car owners has augmented swiftly in the last 3 decades. ओके, तो ये हो गया हमारा पैराफ्रेजिंग स्टेटमेंट का. अब व्हाट आर द कॉजेज ऑफ इंक्रीज इन कार ओनर्स एंड व्हाट मेजर्स कैन गवर्नमेंट टेक. तो यहाँ पे मैं एडवाइस दूंगा कि आप एक कोई कॉज, मेन कॉज शॉर्ट में लिख दो. डोंट राइट इन टू डिटेल एंड डोंट एक्सप्लेन दैट. ओके, कोई भी एक कॉज फाइंड कर लो और वो शॉर्ट में लिख लो. ठीक है, तो हम ये मान सकते हैं कि बिकॉज नाउ डेज इजीली लोन इजीली मिल जाती है, राइट. लोन इजीली मिल जाते हैं इसलिए बहुत लोग इजीली कार खरीदते हैं. तो हम इसको ये लिख लेंगे. ओके, सो इजी अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ कार लोन, इजी availability of car loans is the prime reason for it. Okay, now what measures can government can take and what are the causes. तो हम और भी causes discuss करेंगे. Here I will discuss some other causes of it. Okay, अब what measures government can take it to discourage. तो देखो, सबसे पहले मैं उसका अलग से सेंटेंस बनाता हूँ और फिर मैं उसको ज्वाइन करूंगा. what measures can government take, उसका रिस्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा. रिस्ट्रक्चर हो सकता है here I will explore some steps that government can take to discourage people from using the car. उसकी जगह पे लिखूंगा to motivate people to reduce the use of four-wheeler. Instead of car I am here writing four-wheelers. Okay, तो ये हो गया. Here I will discuss some other causes of it. Here I will discuss some steps. तो ये मैं यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर लूंगा and also explore some steps that government can take to motivate people to reduce the use of four-wheelers. ओके, तो ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट मैंने ज्वाइन कर लिए। ठीक है, तो ये हो गया हमारा कॉजेज एंड सॉल्यूशन का introduction. Okay, what we did first, we paraphrased the statement, then we had just written a cause in a very small way. Okay, we have just written it in short. Okay, and then we had restructured the question. See, reducing traffic is one of the most serious issues faced by numerous cities in the world, as the number of car owners has augmented swiftly in the last 3 decades. Easy availability of car loans is the prime reason for it. Here I will discuss some other causes of it and also explore some steps that government can take to motivate people to reduce the use of four-wheelers. Okay, so this was about writing the introduction of the essay of type causes and solution. Now let's see one more type of example. Now this one is agree disagree essay. In some countries, an increasing number of people are suffering from health problems as a result of eating too much fast food. It is therefore necessary for governments to impose a higher tax on this kind of food. On this kind of food. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion? Yeah. Now see, हमको ऐसा किस पे लिखना है? Do you have to write down the essay on increasing the number of people who are suffering from health issues? No. You have to write down the essay on this topic. It is necessary for government to impose higher tax on this kind of food. So do you agree that government should impose higher tax or do you disagree? You can agree, you can disagree, or you can partially agree. Okay, so that we'll see in later when we will discuss about body paragraph. So at present, first, what is the statement? This one. Okay, there are two statements. This is the second one. So first, let's step one, paraphrase the statement. So in some countries, I can write down in numerous instead of countries, nations. An increasing number of means I can write down instead of increasing, growing. A growing number of. So instead of some countries, I had used numerous nations. Increasing, growing. People, let's write down citizens, are suffering from health problems, means facing, okay, are facing health problems, health issues. Okay, as a result of, or I can now add here one clause, like I can give example, right? What are the diseases that are caused due to eating excessive fast food? Let's take an example of obesity. So I'm just adding a clause such as obesity. Okay. As a result of eating too much fast food, as a result, I'll write down due to eating too much fast food. Instead of eating, I can write down consuming too much, excessive consumption. Excessive consumption of fast food. You can say junk food. You can also give example excessive consumption of pizza, burgers, and so on. Okay, so this was the paraphrasing of first statement. Now it is therefore necessary for government to impose a higher tax on this kind of food. So it can be paraphrased like, so it becomes a necessity for government to collect higher tax on the food such as pizza, burger, and sandwich, and so on. Okay, and then you can write down to what extent do you agree or disagree with this opinion. To a certain extent, I agree the above statement. Okay, but rather than using statement, I will directly write down this complete statement. Now, first, I need to decide whether I agree completely, partially, or I disagree. So, let's say if I'm agreeing completely, I can write down I completely agree that. If you're partially agree, to certain extent, I agree that. Okay, if you are agreeing but to a higher extent, you can run to major extent I can agree. So let's say when I am partially agreeing, so to certain extent I agree that. Now write down this complete statement. Government should impose a higher tax on this kind of food. So I agree that the government, okay, or else it's not about one nation, it's numerous nations. So I agree that governments should, when you're giving advice, you must just should impose a higher tax. I can write down increase the tax. Instead of increase, I will use the word augment. Augment the tax on this kind of food. Let's give example. Tax on food such as pizza, burger, and so on. Okay, so here you clearly mention in the introduction that you are partially agreeing that government should increase the tax. Okay, so step one, there was paraphrasing of the statement. In numerous nations, a growing number of citizens are facing health issues such as obesity due to excessive consumption of fast food. The topic question is, to what extent do you agree about this statement? So to a certain extent, I agree that. Now write down the complete statement. Government should augment the tax on food such as pizza, burger, and so on. Here, so this was about the intro type of intro. This was about the type agree, disagree. Here, now let's see one more type. Let's see the essay of the type advantages, disadvantages. People now have the freedom to work and live anywhere in the world due to the development of communication technology and transportation. Discuss both the advantages and disadvantages of this trend. Okay, means nowadays more and more people are going abroad for working. So you have to discuss the advantages and disadvantages of this trend. Okay, so step one, paraphrasing the statement. Okay, now this is type of advantages and disadvantages. People nowadays have freedom to work and live anywhere in the world due to development of communication and technology and transportation. So now see here, I can again split this into two parts. This and second one. One is the reason for other. Okay, why people have now freedom? Because of development of communication technology and transportation. So I will just exchange this. Okay. So first I will write in about this. Nowadays there has been a lot of development. I can write it down. Communication technology and transportation has developed a lot. Okay, now what is happening due to that? People are having freedom to work and live anywhere in the world. So as a result, or consequently means as a result. People now have freedom to work and live anywhere in the world. So I can write it down that people can stay and work anywhere in the world in any corner of the globe. Any corner of the globe. So now for restructuring the question, discuss both the advantages and disadvantages of this trend. Okay, so here I will explore both the benefits and drawbacks for people of this trend, means who take the opportunity to settle in foreign nation. Settle in foreign nation means working and living in other country. Okay, so this is restructuring the question. So whenever the question is discuss both the advantages and disadvantages of this trend, you can write down here I will explore both the benefits and drawbacks of it. Clear? Now similar question. Okay, instead of discuss both the advantages and disadvantages of this trend, the question can be asked, do you think the advantages outweighs the disadvantages? So let's take the same example with the same question. This one. Do the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? The question is same. People now have freedom to work and live anywhere in the world due to development of communication, technology and transportation. Do the advantages of this development outweigh the disadvantages? Then you just have to replace this. Okay, just replace this. Paraphrasing, it would be the same. But instead of that, you have to answer. Do you think that advantages of this development are higher than disadvantages? Okay, so just replacing this statement, instead of this, you can write down although let's say that you are saying advantages are higher. Okay, then although there are numerous disadvantages, although there are numerous disadvantages, I personally believe that, I personally opine that the benefits are much stronger than its drawbacks. Okay, means the first statement you have to write down the same one, this one. Nowadays, communication technology and transportation has developed a lot. Consequently, people can stay and work in any corner of the globe. Although there are numerous disadvantages, I personally opine that the benefits are much stronger than its disadvantages or its drawbacks. Clear? So you just have to replace, you just have to change the last part, that is restructuring the question. Okay, students, so that's it for today. Today we have studied about writing the introduction in writing task 2. Okay, if you like my video, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.